Do you sometimes get confused about different types of questions in English? In this lesson, we'll learn the two main types, yes no questions and WH questions, with simple examples to make it clear. Alright, let's start with yes no questions. These are the simplest types of questions in English because the answer is usually just yes or no. For example, do you like coffee? You can answer yes, I do or no, I don't. Is she your sister? The answer could be yes, she is or no, she is not. So the rule is we begin with an auxiliary verb, then the subject, and then the main verb. For example, do they play football? Here, do is the auxiliary, they is the subject, and play is the main verb. Super easy, right? These are called yes no questions because the answers are usually short and direct. Now, let's talk about WH questions. Unlike yes no questions, these questions ask for more information, not just a yes or no. They always begin with WH word like who, what, where, when, why, which, or sometimes how. For example, what is your name? You can answer, my name is Ali. Where do you live? I live in London. Why are you late? Because of traffic. The structure is simple. WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, where do you work? Where is the WH word? Do is the auxiliary, you is the subject, and work is the main verb. So remember, yes no questions check for confirmation, but WH questions dig deeper. They want details. Now let's look at some common mistakes English learners make with questions. Some students say, where you live. This is incorrect because it's missing the auxiliary verb. The correct form is, where do you live? Notice, do comes before the subject you. Another mistake is, do where you go. This is wrong because the order is mixed up. The correct question is, where do you go? First, we put WH word where, then the auxiliary verb do, then the subject you, and finally the main verb go. So, the golden rule is WH word, auxiliary, subject, main verb. If you follow this order, your questions will always be correct. Okay, now it's your turn to practice. Say the answers with me. Don't just watch, speak. That's how you'll remember. First question. Dash you like tea? The correct answer is, do you like tea? This is a yes no question because you can answer yes I do or no I don't. Next one. Dash is your best friend? The correct answer is, who is your best friend? This is a WH question because it asks for information, not just yes or no. Third one. Dash they coming today? Are they coming today? This is another yes no question. You can answer yes they are or no they are not. And the last one. Dash do you usually eat breakfast? The full question is, when do you usually eat breakfast? This is a WH question. It needs more information in the answer, like I usually eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. So remember, if the answer is yes or no, it's a yes no question. And if the answer gives information, it's WH question. Great job practicing. Great work today. Let's quickly review. Yes no questions need only a yes or no answer. WH questions need more information in the answer. The key is to practice every day. That's how you'll get fluent and confident in English. And before you go, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your own example sentences using yes, no, and WH questions in the comments below. I'll be checking them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.